Hello, fellow Beatles fans. Aren't you curious what's inside this box? I'm gonna show it to you if you watch this video until the end. The Beatles from us to you. This is something very special. It's my husband, one of his famous collection. Ta-da! Look, there's a illustration book. I will show you what's inside in the next video. But first, I'm going to show you what's inside this box. Ta-da! Look, it goes with a t-shirt with the faces of our fabulous four. Very nice t-shirt. And this one with the disc 1 and 2. It's the interview of John Lennon, and all the interviews, and Yoko Ono. Look at that. Just read it. Look. There is 2 CDs in here. 1 CD. And here's another one. This is all interview. This one is the interview of John Lennon and Yoko Ono. And the second one is the interview of Paul McCartney and Linda McCartney. Yes. And that's all about Australia, press conference, London interview, and about Yoko Ono, about the howling, and about their having a haircut, and the peace rally, and the American press about deportation. That was in 1972. And about Paul McCartney is the Beatles Munich press conference. It was in 1966. And Paul McCartney interview day after their wedding with Linda. And the Scottish interview. But it's all in here. So look at that. Here you can read it. This is the first CD. And the second one is 3 to 4. So also there's 2 CDs inside. It's all interviews as well. And here is it, the other one. Just read it. Those are the interviews. Interviews of George Harrison, and the other CD is about the interview of Ringo Starr. And this is another one, the 5 and 6 disc. Here. 2 CDs as well. And this is about again John Lennon interview also about John Lennon. Look, read it, guys. Yeah. and the disc number 7 and 8. Here is it. And as well, 2 CDs as well. Like that. And that's the interviews. Can you read it? Or should I? Yeah, like that. It's readable. And the CD in the center. Also 2 CDs inside. Like that, with a picture of George. This is John and Yoko, and disc 10 is my Bonnie version of Tony Sheridan and the Beat Brothers. Yes, you can read it. Yes. So, isn't it very nice collection? I'm proud to show it to you guys. So we're happy to have this. It's very nice, very unique. So now and then we listen to this interview. We love to listen to the voices of the Beatles. So that's it. I hope you like it. I'm showing off. And to those who are not haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel. Then maybe I can show you more of our collection, and I can share it to you guys if you want. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. Bye.